Okay, wow, it says you can touch these. Scary, honestly. This one is really hot.
I don't think I can go in all the way.
Oh, you can't do it, Simon. We're all in already. What does the sign say?
Do not climb.
I lied to you. Hey,
No.
it's smart. It's smart. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, Rick, I don't even know what to do. Oh no.
Alright guys, apologize for the poor audio as I'm kind of back on my old GoPro. Might not have some of the best sound here. We are finally in Ipoh. It's our first day here today. The Airbnb we rented is a penthouse apartment at the Octagon Tower, I guess you could say. Show you the view from our balcony. So in another video, I'll walk you guys around the Airbnb. It's just, you know, despite it being the penthouse, it's not as nice as I had hoped. And I don't think it's the Airbnb owner's fault. It's really, the problem is the building quality is not that good for the Octagon here. So I'll show you guys, I'll walk you guys through some of the issues that I have with this place in another video. But yeah, incredible view we've got out here of you know, the entire city of Ipoh basically. So anyway, today we're about to head to Lost World of Tambun. It's this really big resort amusement park over here in Ipoh. It is actually one of my favorite places to visit in Ipoh, mostly for the hot springs. Now you're probably already thinking, Malaysia is so hot, why would you go to hot springs? The answer is, I have no idea, but I really like it.
Here I am, just trying to be myself. It's a crazy world, looking to find my place, and all they do is here I am, just trying to run the race in the slow pace. All I'm trying to do is run, not win, and all they do is mirror, mirror, tell me, what is it about them? Living like it's their game. Karma said it better than me, you'll just end up losing.
So unfortunately, last time we came here, we didn't get a locker and some of our stuff got stolen. Just the women's underwear though. Like everything else in our bag was still here, except for the underwear. So this time we are going to get a locker for sure. Even though I don't have anything valuable on me this time, or even underwear. I wore the clothes in, I'm gonna wear out. So let's see if I can find the locker area. Should be able to. This place is super cool, got a lot of food you can eat. I like this street. And then all the hot springs, I think some of these are just like cooler temperature, and then the hot ones are over there on that side. So in addition to the hot springs, they've got like this animal section. I wouldn't really call it a petting zoo though, I think. I mean, President Yap, is there really animals you can pet here? I thought you just look at them.
No, you can pet.
Which one?
Whatever that allowed, like the parrot.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. Some of them you can. I feel like most of the animals here are just for looking. Exhibit of chickens over here. What is this?
Pony.
Pony. I don't think so. You can't get close enough. And this is the entrance for the petting zoo. Looks like they even got some American animals here. Trash pandas.
You can pet. Oh, did you pet this one? Yes, you did. It's a raccoon.
Trying to come down. Yeah, it doesn't say you can't pet them, so I don't think I'm gonna touch it though. Raccoons are pretty gross in America, always hiding out in the trash can, rubbish bin. They don't want your celery, Simon. Oh, it's coming. Pretty soft though. I don't think I've ever touched a rabbit before. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Don't let it mistake your hand for a celery.
Big fluffy one.
There's a big one right there. Looks like this side's got some guinea pigs. You like guinea pigs, Karina?
No, my dad likes them.
Oh, your dad likes guinea pigs?
Yeah.
If you like snakes, this is a pretty cool place to come see. They've got I think a Burmese python, some type of python. Ridley's Cave Racer. Never heard of this snake. Oh, they've got some more right here. Got two more right here. Please do pet the.
Don't pick them up.
Okay, wow, it says you can touch these. That's a little scary, honestly. Oh, wow. It feels nice. Like an expensive purse. Not really. The tapirs, the tapir?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are native to Malaysia. These are pretty cool. My favorite animal.
I didn't know they got so big.
Yeah, they're pretty big. Yeah. Karina, this is the animal. Karina, the owner of Peach Fetty on Instagram. This is the animal I was telling her she should make a keycap out
Oh
of.
my goodness.
Now you see one in real life. Now maybe
Maybe.
in the future, if you make it, I'll buy it.
Oh, okay.
This one's got capybaras. What other animals in here? Maras? Patagonian Mara over there, and then capybara over here. Still part of the petting zoo, right? You can touch it.
Yeah, I think so.
Where's it going? Cannot. Hey,
No.
it's smart. It's smart. Hey. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, Rip, I don't even know what to do. Oh no.
This guy just, the capybara got out.
If he's gonna
running
just
after it
hoist it up, it's gonna be funny.
Did you open the door for him?
Okay. Did he just smack his butt?
Yeah, he did. He slapped the butt. Some girls sophisticated. And that girl does not like the capybara. Last time I feel like they have more capybaras. This time I only see one. They might have some more, maybe chilling somewhere.
You probably could have
out.
left the park.
Yeah, he just walked out and then he's definitely gotten out before. He's figured it out and he's probably got some food somewhere else or something.
It's supposed to talk?
It's sleeping.
Yo.
Too late already.
His eyes
It's
look
a little creepy. Climb it. So they've got a mountainside route here. You can climb this apparently.
What does the sign say?
Do not climb.
I lied to you.
But it's cool. I think if you maybe go with a guide, they'll take you up there. Wow, it goes all the way up.
Yeah, I think it looks like you should be able to. Maybe it's just for now.
Probably during the daytime or something.
Because
With
the
the
sign
guide.
says so.
Yeah, it says mountainside route for the brave-hearted or whatever something. You climb up there. Wow, that's super cool though. I would do that.
What the lines are for? It's like, right?
Yeah, they'll take you all the way up the side. All right, we are ready for the hot springs. There's a couple different levels. Like this one is like the hottest one, and they've got some lower levels. Maybe we'll work our way up to this one. We'll see. Not sure what they want to do. Go in for the hottest one, or just go straight for the colder ones first. Looks like we're starting with the hottest level hot spring here. These guys aren't even inside it over there. They just put their feet inside.
What?
Oh, we can go to the cooler ones first. Okay. All right, we'll go to the cooler side. Work our way up to this level. Oh! All right, just make sure I don't have my phone in my pocket or anything here. Yeah, this one's not too hot. This one feels pretty nice. Lowest level, the lowest of all the levels, I think. I left my phone in. Yeah, I might take my shirt off actually. Never mind. No need. Leave it on. I just got it wet. Just don't need.
When did you put the food? In the bag?
Unfortunately, I don't have much battery left, only 16%, so I'll record a little bit in each pool, you know, show a reaction, but don't have time to get everything, unfortunately. Alright, we switched from a hot one directly to a cold one. Oh, it's not too bad actually, it's still decent.
That's probably really cold.
Gonna leave his mask in the water. Oh ho! Yeah!
It's so bad.
This one is really hot.
I think I can go in all the way.
Oh, you can't do it, Simon. We're all in already.
Dude, you didn't even go in that way.
Oh,
this is so good.
Oh my goodness. This is a good temperature. Oh. Oh, that's kind of hot. Yeah, it's nice, right? I wish I lived in Ipoh.
For Penang, people get the yearly pass. That's how when we sign up, so he say, the guy will ask him, do you stay in Penang? I
You
say,
stay in
yeah,
Ipoh?
you stay with me.
So you got a yearly pass too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so jealous. I'll come here like every day. Maybe not that much. But I'll come here pretty frequently. Each of these pools have like a nice waterfall. It's quite hot. Nice? It's okay? Yeah, alright, we're bouncing around from pool. Oh, this one is quite hot. Not hot? Oh, it's not too bad. That one is still the hottest. The first one is the hottest. This one's not too bad.
That was pretty good though.
Yeah, pretty good. Even though it's like really hot in Ipoh, it feels really relaxing to like relax in these hot springs. And plus, once you get out of the hot spring, it's like not as
40
hot.
to 45 degrees.
Sorry about that abrupt ending there. My battery died and well, the extra battery I brought was also dead too. So anyway, I'm charging up all my stuff right now. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Gua Tempurong, which is like a big, really big cave. It's like a 3-hour cave tour that we're gonna do. So charging up all my stuff right now, and we'll see you in the next video.